Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In this channel you'll be getting beautiful hairstyles, ideas and inspiration, and even fashion styles, ideas and inspiration. Please, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome to the family. You're welcome, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a fashion style trendy video or hairstyle trendy video that are trendy. To my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. So into this video, I'm going to be showing you beautiful cornrows hairstyle that's a trendy. This hairstyle is so unique, they're so beautiful. If you're looking for a wonderful cornrows that you can rock, this video is definitely for you. This cornrows, you can rock it with any color of hair extension that you want. This hairstyle is so busy, they're so unique, they're so catching, they're so lovely. I would love you to watch the video to the end because this video is mind-blowing. This hairstyle is mind-blowing. Please watch the video to the end. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you.